Hello friends, what's tea everybody? It's your girl Jada Royal. If you are new to the channel, welcome. If you are not new, then welcome back. Guys, thank you so much for coming to the channel and checking out my channel. Thank you for watching this video. If you have clicked on, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you do that right now. Just stop. Before I continue, just like, comment, and subscribe. I'm just gonna do my basic makeup routine with you guys, show you guys what I do. It's really simple, it's beginner friendly, anybody could do this makeup, so let's get straight into it, baby. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna prime the face. I don't really use a primer. What I use is my sunscreen, Naturium. You know, you already know. Yeah guys, I don't play about sunscreen. I wear sunscreen in the winter, sunscreen in the summer, sunscreen in the spring. Before I go any further, a lot of people get confused when people do these makeup videos. So the first thing I want to do is show you guys all the products that we will be needing for this video today. A beauty blender, and I want you guys to get one of these triangle brushes, triangle face brushes. This flat brush is like a powder brush. You need an angled brush, an angled contour brush. This one, really important, a concealer brush. And then this one, just a regular eyeshadow brush. So you already see what I primed my skin with, the sunscreen by Naturium. I'm gonna have 3 concealers. So I'm gonna have a foundation. This is my foundation, Too Faced Born This Way, in the shade Chai. I love this foundation, it's all I use. Then I'm gonna have a Too Faced concealer, multi-use sculpting concealer in the shade Butterscotch. Then I'm gonna have my Tarte Tape Shake concealer in the shade 53N. This is the ultra cream. This is the radiant one, sorry, because it's the winter, so I need my face, you know, looking a little creamy. And then you're gonna need a concealer that's darker than your skin tone, right? So all the other concealers, one of the concealers is a little brighter, one of the concealers is the same tone as my skin tone, and this concealer is darker than your skin tone. Look. So any concealer really works. This is the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop in the shade Matcha. This MAC bronzer that someone gave me, it's really dark. It's way too dark for my skin, but I'm gonna show you guys what I do. You guys could just get like a brown eyeshadow. For mascara, I'm gonna be using the Benefit Bounce mascara. Then I'm gonna be using the Grande Brow 2-in-1 tinted brow gel. Just regular brow gel works. You could get the NYX tinted brow gel as well. Use this one, NYX, the brow glue in the shade dark brown. Guys, I forgot to also tell you that we will be using a setting powder for my skin. My skin tone uses like banana setting powder, and then I have also a setting spray. I forgot to show you guys that. Lips, I just got 3 things. I got a Morphe pencil in the shade Trendsetter, which is just a brown lip liner. I got my I Love Ola Henriksen, the best thing ever created for lips. And then I just got my Morphe crystal clear, just clear gloss, you know what I mean. So you know, on this channel we're all bad gals from Greens. So the first thing we're gonna do as bad gals from Greens is I'm gonna do my brows. So I'm just gonna take my Lash Grande tinted brow gel and just, you know, do my brows. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna do them, shape them. I'm gonna go in with the Tarte Radiant Shape Tape Radiant Concealer in the shade 53N. This is the shade that's closest to my skin tone. As you guys could see, I'm about to outline my brows both on the top and the bottom. And what that really helps is just to give the brow definition. Yeah, just to kind of make it pop a little bit. And when I'm finished with that, I'm gonna take that same concealer and put some both in the inner and outer corner of my under eyes. You see where my dark circles is? As you guys can see, you guys see what I'm doing. So just get up in there in the corners, and yeah. Before I blend that out, I'm gonna go in with my Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer in the shade Butterscotch, and underneath my eye, right in the middle of the 2 dollops of concealer, I'm gonna just place this one. You guys see that? Just to brighten up my face a bit, I'm gonna put a little bit here. Now we're about to start blending this out, so I'm gonna take my flat concealer brush and we're gonna start with the top of the eyebrows, right? So it's foundation time, going in with that Born This Way by Too Faced, and I'm just gonna spray, squeeze some all over my face, not too much, don't go too crazy, and I'll let that sit. And then I'm about to take my beauty blender and I'm gonna start blending out my concealer. So we're gonna start with the under eye. We want to blend that out nicely. Yeah, start with the under eye, and we're gonna do both sides of the under eye concealer, blending it out. Get up into there, do it on the other side, and yeah, just blend, 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 blend. Make sure it's blended properly, and then we're gonna start going in over the eye where I put that other concealer as well. Perfect. And then we're gonna start blending out the foundation. Do you guys see how I'm doing that tap-in motion? It really just helps blend into your skin, and then you could blend out the concealer that's on your chin, which I put there, and yeah, just tap it into your skin. Yeah guys, just keep blending. I love Too Faced because it just blends into the skin so nicely. It's really like a wonderful foundation. I love it. And look at how beautiful that foundation blends out. Oh my goodness, guys. If you're wearing a low neck shirt, blend it all the way down to your neck too. Okay guys, that's just me showing you guys how good my face look after that foundation blending. Then I'm gonna take my setting powder in the shade Banana, just a regular setting powder, along with my triangle brush, and then I'm gonna dip that in the powder, and I'm gonna set my makeup. That's how you contour your face really. So you're gonna set it in that kind of triangle way in order to snatch your face. I love using this triangle brush. You could use a regular beauty blender, but ever since I start using the triangular brush, it has been a game changer. I absolutely love it, and I highly do recommend that you use it. Yeah. And then I'm gonna put some underneath my chinny chin, and then above my forehead where I get oily, and then I'm gonna just leave that to sit. Yeah guys, I'm gonna go in with that bronzer over my eye just to give my eye a little definition. Just apply it like eyeshadow, man, on both sides, both eyelids, not eyes. What am I saying? Both eyelids, and just to give your eyes some warmth and some definition as well. And I don't know, it just makes the look start to come together, I guess, if that makes sense. Yeah. And what I'm doing right now is going in with a concealer that's very darker than my skin tone. I'm very light-handed on it. What this does is that it helps blend the contrast of the makeup and my actual skin so that it looks like one. This is like my favorite thing to do. It brings the whole look together, guys. And this is just me feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. Then I'm finished baking the setting powder, so I'm about to take it off. What we're gonna do is we're gonna pat it into the skin. Just press it down. Use the brush as you guys see I'm doing. Press it into the skin while wiping it away. that really sets your makeup in place. When you do that, your makeup is not gonna move. You're gonna have that makeup. You could go clubbing in that makeup. You could go to Ibiza with that makeup. You could go to Majorca with that makeup, baby. It's gonna stay. It's not gonna move. Then I'm gonna set it with the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. Just spray, 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 spray. And then I was fanning to try to get it to, you know, dry. And then I got fed up, so I grabbed something from my closet and just fanned to make it dry. Purr. And guys, we're going to my favorite mascara at the moment is the Benefit Bad Gal Bounce mascara. I love this mascara. It has been my favorite. You guys are gonna see me just apply the mascara. I did some kind of fancy stuff trying to do my bottom lashes, but I didn't want too much of a thick mascara today, so it's just a little light thing, you know. Yeah. And y'all know we make sure the lips stay kissable. So I'm gonna go in with my Morphe lip liner in the shade Trendsetter. To be honest, I don't even know if that's a lip liner, but child, I use it as a lip liner. And I'm just gonna outline my lips. As you can see, I am doing there. I'm not gonna overline them because I feel like I have lips. Shout out my ancestors. You know. Yeah, that's just me lining them, and then when I'm finished lining them, I'm gonna go in with my Ola Henriksen. Yeah, I'm just gonna put that in the middle and smack my lips. I can't, oh yeah, you guys are gonna see it. I'm gonna smack my lips, and then yeah, that looks so good. I love that lip combo. After that, I'm gonna go in with my clear gloss from Morphe, and so that just like it shines so much. And it's at this point I decided that I don't need lip fillers. Okay y'all, so that's it. As you guys could see, I am complete. I am finished. Like I said in the beginning of this video, this is like a basic, like super easy routine where I don't do makeup every day, but when I do makeup, this is usually what I do. I don't, to be honest, I wish I knew how to do more contouring and everything, but this is what I do. And people usually be asking me for my makeup routine, my lip combo, everything, and that's all I do, literally. Sometimes I do less, but like I said, this is very beginner friendly, and you guys can see it's like a kind of natural look. The only thing that's like all natural is like the lip, but it's still pretty natural for me, if you ask me. So guys, thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and turn your post notifications on. I was just talking to one of my friends and she goes like, girl, I got my post notifications on. Whenever you post, it go bling, Jada Royal update uploaded. So guys, turn your post notification on. Like the video please, so we can get onto the algorithm. Guys, thank you so much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna say it again, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.